I'd like to introduce my most beloved course, which is the Basic Admin for SAP Digital Manufacturing to you. You run a project, you will start an SAP implementation, and you have an implementation partner available. But you like to discuss his proposals, his ideas at a very good technical level. You need to understand what SAP DM does, how it works, and what it can do for you. And this course will actually bring you up to this level. It includes, of course, parts of all other courses, like from the starter course we took the orders, operations, work centers, execution, and understand the status. We take parts of the enterprise integration because this is really one of the biggest assets SAP DM provides. Getting the data down, getting it up, or make a decision that some of the data might only stay within DM. Next thing is what is important to production people, transparency and reports. Besides the standards, we will discuss how to build reports for the production people, quickly talk about resource orchestration, and of course, how to get machines connected, how to get data from the shop floor, or even write data